Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that so many of you have asked about: eyebrows for round faces. If you've ever felt like your face looks a little too well round and you want to add some definition and structure, you are in the right place. The secret might just be sitting right above your eyes. We're talking about the power of the arched brow. So, what's the big deal with round faces? They're characterized by soft, curved lines, with the width and length of the face being roughly equal. Think of celebrities like Selena Gomez or Ginnifer Goodwin. Beautiful, right? The key to complementing this face shape is to create the illusion of more length and to add angles where there are none naturally. This is where your eyebrows become your best friend. Imagine your face is a beautiful round canvas. A flat, straight, or overly rounded brow will just echo that roundness, making your face appear wider. But a well-structured, high-arched brow, that's a game changer. The arch acts as a vertical point, drawing the eye upward and downward. This simple visual trick instantly elongates your face, making it appear more oval, which is often considered a very balanced face shape. The sharp peak of the arch also introduces a much-needed angle, breaking up the softness and adding dimension. It's like instant natural contouring without a single drop of makeup. Now, let's talk about how this affects your entire makeup look. When you have the right brow shape, everything else just falls into place. Your contour will look more effective because the brows are already doing half the work of creating angles. Your eyeshadow application will have a better framework to follow, lifting your eyes and making them appear bigger and more awake. The arch creates space and definition, so your eye makeup doesn't get lost. It harmonizes your features, creating a more balanced and sculpted look overall. So, how do you get this perfect arch? The key is to work with your natural brow, not against it. You want to find the natural highest point of your brow. A great trick is to look straight into a mirror and imagine a line going from the outside of your nostril, through the center of your pupil, and straight up to your brow. That's where your arch should be. The tail of your brow should then taper down towards the outer corner of your eye. When it comes to shaping, be careful not to go too thin. A round face can handle a slightly fuller, more defined brow. It adds to the structure. Start by tweezing stray hairs under the brow to create a clean line and lift the arch. You can use a brow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas and really define that peak. I like to use a light hand to create hair-like strokes for a natural finish. Then use a spoolie to brush the hairs upward at the front and then outward along the arch and tail. Finish with a clear or tinted brow gel to lock everything in place. The gel will keep those hairs pointing upward, enhancing that lifting effect all day long. Think of it this way: your eyebrows frame your face, just like a beautiful frame enhances a piece of art. For a round face, a high, soft-angled arch is the most flattering frame you can choose. It adds length, creates structure, and lifts your entire face. It's a small change that makes a massive impact on your overall look, making your makeup application easier and more effective. It's all about creating balance and enhancing your natural beauty. So, next time you're doing your makeup, pay a little extra attention to those arches. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. I hope this was helpful for all my fellow round-faced beauties out there. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Do you have any other brow tips for round faces? Share them below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.